In this video, we're going to show you one of the features of the wizard that allows you to add new chapters to a document that you've already started editing. Normally, the wizard is only used to generate a document and then to help manage opening and closing your projects after a document's been created. There is one case where the wizard can make changes to a document that you've already started editing. This process will work with any of our design themes, customized design themes, and any kind of documents you've created in the wizard. So we're going to illustrate this using, say, the transportation number 6 design theme. And the idea is we're going to be creating a proposal for some limousine transportation services where the document's created initially, edited, and then we've decided to add some chapters after it's been created and in process of being edited. So we have a design theme selected. We'll create a document project. Now we're going to select some standard chapters, a cover letter, a title page, the back page, an introduction page, and we'll search for the dispatching page and the About Us. So we've searched for a dispatching chapter in the About Us chapter. Now you see our template's going to have 6 pages in it. We save our project, and we filled in the company data. And now we're filling in the client data. Okay, now the wizard has generated our initial document. You can see it starts with a cover letter, title page, the introduction, dispatching, About Us, and a back page. Now just so you can see that we've started doing some editing, let's just replace a couple paragraphs with some text that we know we can look for. Okay, so we've made edits to this template. We've saved it. Now say we've been doing more editing on this project, but now we've decided, we forgot a couple chapters. Well, we can go back and click the Document Projects button. Because this project is our currently selected project, we'll say Edit Selected Project. It's going to let you know that it's locked for editing just because the wizard wants to make sure it doesn't let you make any changes that would ruin your work or remove your work, such as clicking this Delete Old Files button. But we are going to go in and add some chapters. So let's say we decided to add a chapter to talk about our fleet of vehicles. So out of the thousands of templates available, let's search for one called Fleet. And maybe we want to talk about our company's reputation. And maybe talk about our rates. And since this is a limo services proposal, how about our service area? So we've done a search on those terms and we found the service area, a fleet chapter, a rates page, and a reputation page. We'll select all of those, add them to our template. Now you can see we've gone from 6 to 10 pages. And we're going to save our project again. Now the wizard's going to let us know that it's been locked for editing and that it can only add new pages to an existing locked project. So we're going to say OK because that is what we want to do. I'll just give you another reminder. Click yes. So now instead of generating a document from scratch and assembling everything, what the wizard is doing is taking your 6-page template that we'd created in this case, and it is finding where to insert these 4 new pages, and it is updating that template. Okay, now the wizard has finished updating our existing template. Now you can see our little test text we added is still in there. That text is still there. Now we've added the service area page, the fleet page, the rates page. Our test text we added is still there. And the reputation chapter is now added. So that is how you can add additional chapters to an existing document that you have been editing. You'll also see that the wizard made a backup copy just in case there was a problem with the merging in of all of those new chapters. Your original work before the wizard started making those updates is saved as a backup copy. Now this will work with any of our design themes and any documents you create through the wizard. Click subscribe to keep up on the latest proposal writing tips with Proposal Kit.